how to write a winning ad in 5 seconds with AI. Let's go. This AI tool, guys, is super powerful for writing ad copy so you can start advertising your products online. All you gotta do is fill out these boxes here, and this is how I do it. Video title, we wanna put basically what the product does, like what's the main benefit. And then here we put a little short video description. Okay, so we talk about what the product does. You know, you can put more in here, whatever your product does, you know, and any kind of description you want to put in. And then right here, you put right benefits and bullet points, and then it spits out an entire ad copy for you guys. Check how awesome this is. Are you looking for ways to clean your house quickly and efficiently? Look no further. With our automatic mop, you can clean your house in 5 seconds flat. Then it lists these awesome benefits, and then it hits you with the last line. You could add whatever you want here. You can tell it to put scarcity, urgency, anything, and it'll generate an amazing ad copy for you. So stop wasting time, baby, and go make that money online, because AI has made it super simple.